Hey there, fellow QA enthusiasts! Today we are diving into a crucial aspect of the software development process, database testing. Buckle up because we are about to uncover the ins and outs of this vital testing discipline. So if you've ever asked yourself, how do I know which tests to perform on my database? I'll explore the different types of tests and shed light on why unit testing is an absolute must in this video. Let's dive right in. When it comes to database testing, data integrity and consistency are paramount. Our goal as QA engineers is to ensure that every component of the application maintains data integrity, from server-side tasks to client-side interactions. So, let's take a closer look at the types of database testing that can help us achieve this. First up, we have structural testing. This type of testing focuses on the structure and organization of the database, making sure everything is in order. We want to ensure that tables, columns, and relationships are set up correctly. It's like checking the foundation of a building to ensure stability. Next, we have black and white box testing, also known as functional testing. This type of testing examines the functionality of the database from both the user and system perspectives. We want to ensure that the database functions as expected, whether it's retrieving and storing data or executing complex queries. It's like taking the database for a test drive. Last but not least, we have non-functional testing. This type of testing focuses on aspects such as performance, scalability, and security. We want to ensure that the database can handle a large number of users, that it performs optimally, and that it keeps our data safe and secure. It's like putting the database through a rigorous stress test. Performing database testing is an essential part of software testing. Whether it's for performance, vulnerabilities, or data integrity, following a systematic process is crucial. And if you want to see more content on software testing and QA management, subscribe to Aqua channel. Stay updated, level up your testing skills, and join us on a journey of continuous learning. Hit the subscribe button now and be part of our testing community. Today we'll focus on how to perform unit testing specifically for databases. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Create a blank database instance. Start by setting up the necessary components and structures for our testing. Step 2. Automate the testing procedures. By automating the process, you can ensure that the database is in a known state before each test run and verify its condition afterward. Step 3. Check for potential issues like missing references. Accidental removal or renaming of objects can cause problems, so it's crucial to identify and address them. Step 4. Conduct a test to ensure proper database restoration once testing is completed. Remember, database testing requires precision and attention to detail. Regular testing helps maintain data integrity and prevents potential breaches. Keep these steps in mind to ensure the reliability and security of your databases. Unit database testing comes with some fantastic properties that make it an essential part of your testing arsenal. Let's take a closer look. First up, unit tests can be automated just like executing code. With ease, you can script a set of database operations, ensuring that your tests are consistent and efficient. Unit tests are fantastic for testing individual triggers, views, and stored procedures. You can thoroughly test the behavior of each component, ensuring they work exactly as intended. Unit tests provide you with an executable representation of your database testing operations. This means you can quickly test and validate new code before rolling it out, saving you time and avoiding potential issues. Unit tests produce consistent results. By mapping every input as part of the test, you gain a clear understanding of the expected outputs when everything goes according to plan. Unit tests should be independent of one another. While some setup and teardown may be required, each test should stand on its own, ensuring that one test does not impact another. Now that we've explored the properties of unit database testing, let's dive into some handy tips to level up your database testing game. Number 1, start with an organized plan. Mapping requirements early on helps avoid chaos during deployment, release, or troubleshooting. Number 2, develop proper data sets based on the requirements to create meaningful test scenarios. Number 3, ensure accurate and manageable data for effective testing. Number 4, focus on response time to estimate database performance. Number 5, test database security by simulating unauthorized access scenarios. Number 6, create invalid test case sets to check database constraints. Number 7, keep your database testing queries simple and concise. Number 8, seek feedback from others to improve your queries and make them more efficient. And I also prepared 3 powerful database testing tools that can level up your testing game. The first tool on our list is Aqua. It's an AI-powered test management solution that provides various features to help manage and organize the software testing process. With seamless integrations with Jira, Selenium, Oracle, and more, Aqua offers a user-friendly interface and robust features such as stored procedure testing. It's a reliable choice to ensure the security and quality of your stored data. Next up, we have Data Factory. It's an innovative software with a user-friendly interface perfect for handling large-scale data testing. While it may require more time for uploading files, Data Factory excels at working with big data, making it a powerful choice for larger projects. And the last one will be DTM Data Test Generator. Is a business tool ideal for database testing due to its early input of schema testing objects and data roles. It supports high-level load testing and unit tests, making it effective for commercial use. However, its multi-line entry form factor may not suit individual testers requiring on-demand service for specific needs. In this video, we explore the world of database testing, focusing on unit testing and its importance. We learned about the properties of unit database testing, including automation, testing individual components, and achieving consistent results. We also discovered 3 powerful database testing tools: Aqua, Data Factory, and Mockup Data that can enhance your testing process. But there are 4 more tools you can read about. If you'd like to find out more about them, head over to the article in the video description. Make sure to subscribe to the Aqua YouTube channel to receive more valuable insights and stay updated on continuous improvements in your testing processes. Wishing you all the best in your testing endeavors. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!